Guys, welcome back. So today I'll be unboxing these Skull Panda image of reality. I wanted to try this one too because I did love the sound series, and I was going through the review of this image of reality on YouTube, and I thought there are some interesting pieces, and I did love the series overall. So I just thought I should get two of these to unbox. So yeah, let's unbox these. So from all the 12 design, I would love to get Imagination, then Pivot, then Soar. This would be nice, and the Merchant because it's sort of a fidget spinner, and anti-gravity looks pretty too, and the time lapse looks nice, and Philosophy. She looks very pretty. So yeah, let's unbox it, and the secret obviously. So let's unbox this and see what we get. So the box itself looks very pretty. I love the box and the design it has. It's shaking pretty well, and I can actually hear it, but it's heavy. It's shaking pretty well, but it feels heavy. Let's unbox this one. So I got what I wanted. She looks really pretty, and yeah, I love this design because it's like a fidget spinner and you can like play around with it. It's not just only for show. It's sort of a fidget spinner, and that's the reason why I like her. He's a very unique piece, and yeah, what more you can want from a sculpture when you can play with it and yeah, actually use it. And wow, she looks very pretty and very beautiful. Really love her. She looks amazing. She looks adorable with shiny lips, and overall she has a matte finish, and you can see her, she has hands. Her face looks really pretty. She has like a golden eyeshadow and brown eyeshadow under her eyes, and yeah, she looks very pretty, and she's called the Merchant. I think she has accessories too. Let me check. So this one goes on magnetic. So that's the card. You get the Merchant, and she looks very pretty. And yeah, I love her shoes. It's shiny with that gold detailing, and her makeup, she has like slight sheen on her eyelids which looks very pretty, and love her hair. And she has this sun cap. I don't know what this thing is called, mask or cap or whatever this is. This looks very pretty. And her headphones, this thing looks like a moon, resembles a moon. And the back side of this has like a vintage golden moon star, and there you can see it shows like phases of moon, lunar phases. And then she has a tiny hands, and you can see that small little star tattoo. And yeah, wearing black gloves. She's wearing black gloves, and I really love the detail they have given on the moon on all sides, showing the phases of moon. And she has like a moon tattoo on the other hand. And yeah, she looks very, very pretty. I really love the details they've given in this series. Yeah, I really wanted this one and I got this. It's very nice, like it's very addictive, sort of. It's very nice, like you can actually play with this one. It's a sort of a fidget spinner and it's moving quite nicely. She is the merchant. I just love her. She looks very, very pretty in person. I love those green and yellow eyes and that hairstyle and that cap. She's really dressed up for the event, and her beautiful shoes with golden detailing, and her every bit of this has been made really well. The details are just gorgeous. She's one pretty piece. So let's just place her there and unbox the other one. This one is shaking pretty well. I think this one has this one because uh, it feels springy. When I shake it, I can feel the springy thing. Let's see what I get. It doesn't feel like a spring thing. Let's see what we have here. Wow, I got this one. I really love her. This was another one which I wanted, and I think I got both of the pieces which I wanted. She looks very pretty in person, and I love her like eyeliner, especially the eyeliner and the blush under her eyes, and her hair is like very shimmery, shiny. I don't know if the camera is picking up. You can see there it's very nice and shiny. She's holding a book, and she actually looks like an owl, as wise as an owl. And it might have come with an accessory. I'll just check. And I love those blue eyes there. So this is the accessories. It comes with a stand and a mask. So the mask is obviously like magnetic. You can like, I think it's magnetic. The magnet in Skull Panda are like not that strong. So I got her. She is the philosophy. Yeah, and she looks very pretty, and you can just open her mask and you can see she looks exactly like the card. Yeah, she looks very, very pretty. I love every bit of her, every detail. So yeah, that's the card. Image of reality, Skull Panda, and the philosophy. I really love her blue, like purple eyes and the blush under her eyes, and you can see shimmery eyeshadow and like shiny lips and shiny nose, and the book she's holding, she looks very wise, and those pretty boots there, it's shiny, and the rest of it is matte, and the star detailing on her wings, she looks very, very pretty, and the sculpture itself looks beautiful. And yeah, she looks pretty. I don't know why they've given like realistic, like owl sort of eyes separately around her ear. Do let me know if you know anything about this. But she looks really nice, and she actually looks like wise as an owl, as wise as an owl. So you can put a mask, it goes on magnetic. The magnet in skull pandas are not that strong, so you have to really like place it well. And yeah, she looks beautiful with her mask. I prefer her without the mask, but then this mask will get lost somewhere in my collection. So yeah, it's better to keep the mask on, but she looks very, very pretty. I love her design and I love every bit of her. So that's her mask. The philosophy, she's as wise as an owl and she's reading a book. There's nothing written on the book, but she's reading a book. These are the two skull pandas which I have received from Image of Reality, and both of them are the ones which I wanted, and they look very pretty and amazing. She goes on with a mask. Yeah, they're absolutely adorable and cute.